Erizoba Kenya yatongoza okombeka oruguuto rw'egaari y'omwika orw'omurembe Standard Gauge Railway Line okuruga Naivasha kuza Kisumu mpaka Maraba aha nsharo ya Uganda na Kenya. Oruguuto oru n'orwa kilomita 17 kandi kururahwe nirwija kuhwera eby'entambura n'okushuubura omu kyanga eki. Arikugamba aha mukoro gw'okutongoza omurimo ogu omuri Kisumu, Kenya, Erizoba, President wa Uganda His Excellency Yoweri Kaguta Museveni yagira ngu egaari y'omwika ey'omurembe neija kuhwera Uganda okumaraho ekyayeta akatogo aha mihanda.
That the railway is part of the rationalization of our transport system, especially on the Uganda side, which is irrational and wasteful. Why? Because the items being transported are concentrated on the road, i.e. passengers, light cargo, heavy cargo, petroleum products are all on the roads.
His Excellency Yoweri Kaguta Museveni yasima Kenya abokutera orutambwe ruhango nikwo kwongera kushamya ku Uganda nayo eriyo neza kukora ogwayo omukoro oruguuto rw'egaari y'omwika orw'emirembe.
I'm very happy to be here to take part in this historic. I want to congratulate Kenya for struggling and bringing the railway from Mombasa to Nairobi, from Nairobi to Naivasha, now from Naivasha to here, and now from here to Malaba. We are going to push our part. We are already pushing our part from Malaba to Kampala, from Kampala to Kasese, Kasese to Mpondwe, drinking with DRC.
Aha mukoro ogu President w'ihanga ya Kenya His Excellency Dr. William Ruto yagira ngu egaari y'omwika egi nehikiriza ekiroto ky'okugiita amahanga ga East Africa hamwe n'okushoronzya kurungi eby'obushubuzi n'entambura.
It is in this enduring vision that brought together the late President Mwai Kibaki and His Excellency President Yoweri Museveni, who jointly laid the foundation for a modern high-capacity railway, one that would link Mombasa to Kampala with strategic branches to Kisumu in Kenya and Pakwach in Uganda. Additionally, the presidents of Kenya, Uganda, and Rwanda not only pronounced themselves on the plan to extend the Standard Gauge Railway to Kampala, Kigali, and Juba, but also signed the SGR Protocol and tripartite agreement to ensure development and management of a seamless railway system.
His Excellency Ruto yayongera agira ngu egaari y'omwika ey'omurembe neija kuhwera kukyendeza omu bwire bw'okutambuza abantu n'emishuburo yabo omu kyanga ekya East Africa kandi eshongere n'entunguka.
Our partner states in the region, including Rwanda, Burundi, South Sudan, the Democratic Republic of Congo, and the Central African Republic. It is a powerful statement of regional integration, partnership, and shared ambition. Ladies and gentlemen, our region faces a clear and urgent challenge. Our economies are not generating sufficient opportunities to match the pace of our rapidly growing populations. At the same time, our businesses continue to grapple with high logistics costs that undermine competitiveness. In many cases, transport and related costs account for between 30% and 40% of the final value of goods. Cargo takes an average of 80 hours to move from Mombasa to Malaba and more than 100 hours to reach Kampala.
Obwanyuma y'okuruga Maraba, Uganda eyine ekiteekateeko ky'okusya oruguuto rw'egaari y'omwika orw'omurembe Standard Gauge Railway omu byanga bitari bimwe na bimwe kandi oruguuto oru nirwija kugumizamu kuhika omu Rwanda, South Sudan, Burundi hamwe na Democratic Republic of Congo.
Tuwapigie makofi tafadhali as they unveil, and we now have the Kisumu Malaba Standard Gauge Railway